Stock UDF. 1. Push. Enter your choice. How many numbers you want to enter? Example, 3 numbers. Enter 3 numbers. 23, 45, 34. Average is 34. Highest score is 45. Enter your choice. 3. Display. The arrangement of your stock is 34, 45, 23. Enter your choice. 2. Pop. You remove 34. Press any key to continue. Enter your choice. 3. Display. The arrangement of your stock is 45, 23. 4. Exit.
Di ano mo?
QUDF. Enter your choice. 1. In Q. How many numbers you want to enter? Example, 5 numbers. Enter 5 numbers. 3, 3, 4. Average is 8. Highest score is 23. Three. Display. The arrangements of your Q is 3, 5, 23, 6, 5. 2. The Q. The Q value is 3. Enter your choice. 3. Display. The arrangement of Q is 5, 23, 6, 5. 4. Enter. 4. Exit. Q library. How many numbers you want to enter? Example, 4 numbers. 2, 'Enter. The highest number is 67. The average of your number is 19. The first number UNQ is 3. The last number UNQ is 2. You have 4 numbers in your queue. This is your queue. 3, 4, 67, 2. Linked list. How many nodes you want to enter? Example, 5. Enter elements of node 3, 45, 67, 12, 5. Your enter element. List of nodes is 3, 45, 67, 12, 5.